Yo, you guys, today we have a look at this turntable system. It's a high fiddly bulb driven thing from, I think it's called like Funky Rabbit or something like that. I will see in a second when we open this box up, because I can't remember. It was like a little funny name like that. So let's dig into this box. Oh, it's Fancy Rabbit, never mind. Let's get this open. I'm sorry about the angle of the video. As you can see, it's kind of hard to um, fit in the frame otherwise, so don't mind me. Um, we will get there in a second though, so yeah, just give me a sec while we cut this open. Alright, so first off, we have more cardboard. Yay! No, whatever. Let's get this out of the way and see what we're actually getting. So as you can see, we got the manual top. We'll put that to the side. It shows us everything that's it's supposed to be in here. And then we have the system itself. Let's see if we can get this out without breaking everything. Can we just pull this out? Okay, it's a little bit more on the heavy side. Probably because they did put in some wood on the material list, which is nice to see. Then we got the turntable here. Looking fancy, is pretty solid. Fancy Rabbit, as you can see. Pretty cute name as well. Yeah, let's put that to the side for now. Don't mind my shoes. And then dig right into this huge thing. So, put that to the side. Give me a second, need some room. Okay, we got the lid here. I will place that to the side. That goes on top as a protective piece. But we don't care about that right now, after all. So, now the fun part comes. Here we have the system. Let's see how we can get this out of there. So we can just, oh, that's simple. Pull that out, and then, yeah, we will see what we're getting here in a second. So this is a system to turntable drive. These are the attachments for the top part. We're just gonna be clipping that in, which is, yeah, pretty straightforward. Then you can already see the material, pretty solid piece, nice speaker, really clean logo, looking really good on that part. And then, yeah, pretty stable stand too. Then there's the angle where we're gonna be placing our turntable on. And up here, there is the rest. Let's see, can we actually get this open with one hand? Don't mind me too much because I'm filming, so I will do that later on, then full volume and stuff. I would say I will just mount the whole thing, and then I will be back here in a second. This just goes on here, and yeah, I will try that. Actually, we'll listen to the sound. You guys won't, because copyright issues will occur otherwise, so don't wonder why there is no audio for you guys. So here it is in action, um, working quite nicely, can't really complain at all, and sound wise it's good. It's not the best of the best, but I was surprised for the size of the speaker. It's really nicely and looking really neat and stuff. So that's gonna be it, you guys.